Hey y'all, thank you for tuning in to another video. It's your girl Ebony Chanel, and this video is going to be a very talkative video. I got a few people saying that, you know, you don't never talk and we don't get to see your personality and da 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 da. Well, that's what we doing now. Y'all get to see, you know, how I talk, how I sound, how I swag, whatever, how I'm getting down. So I bought some items off of Wish recently, actually August the 13th. And the funny thing is, like, I would have never bought no shit off Wish. Like, it just be looking like all type of crazy stuff. Like, I didn't know nothing about it. So I just went on there and found the cheapest shit that I could find and bought it just so I could see, you know, what is Wish like. So I just wanted to have my own experience and see, you know, how Wish was. So like I said, I bought some items on August the 13th, and some wasn't expected to be here until September 18th, a couple on September 12th, one on September 6th, one on September 20th. And so I got some back already, and that was only like 16 days from the date that I ordered, 2 weeks. So some of these are 3 weeks early, some of these are 2 weeks early, so that's a plus. Like, but we finna open this shit up and we finna see if I got what I ordered. All right, so first one, get my shit together. First one is this, and yes, it came open already. I didn't like that. Like, y'all could have put a little tape on it or whatever to make sure it ain't pop open. I just don't care about my little shit. But it's in the package and it's closed. These are makeup brushes, and yes, I use cheap ass brushes because I don't know why people like to pay $50 for a makeup brush when you can get one for $3 that do the same shit. Like, I'm not going broke buying makeup brushes. Like, but if you got it, buy it. You know what I'm saying? Like, no shade or whatever. But for me, not doing it. So when I see cheap brushes, I snatch them up, and these were actually $6. 14 brushes, $6, and they're cute. Let me take one out. This plastic. This is how the handles look, and I love the cool little handles and stuff like that on my brushes. It's really soft, dense. So we're gonna try these out in my next tutorial and see if it's a hit or miss. Anyway, it was only $6, so I'm not tripping. Next package we have this one. It's all the way closed, so good job, Wish. It's kind of hard. This is a neon pigment stacker. We got blue, orange, pink, purple, yellow, green. Here's the package that it came in. Some has spilled. As you can see, the package is colored, and some also spilled out in the other package, but it looks like this is closed, so that's cool. Next package. And I guess it just depends on, you know what I'm saying, what you order, if you're gonna get what you pay for. These are some lashes. I don't like how this box is beat up, but you know, that could have happened during shipping. I ain't gonna make too big of a fuss about that. Let's see how they look. And this is how they look, and they came with a little applicator. I got so many of these, but that's always cool. Like, you know, if you need help putting your lashes on, you got your applicator in here. I will be posting in the video how much all this stuff costs, so y'all can see that. Ooh. Oh, we have the last one. There's one more thing that I'm missing that hasn't got here yet, so we'll see what that's looking like when it get here. But this was just for me to get the Wish experience to see. So this is a cool iridescent package. Came with an applicator as well. That's cool. Okay, and these are the lashes. Just looking at them first glance, these are not how the picture looked. I like my lashes fluffy, but we'll see how they look when I put them on. Oh well, they was cheap. So that's all the packages I have today. Y'all got to hear me talk. Y'all got to see, you know, a little bit how my personality is. I'm goofy. I'm down to earth. I'm just a regular person having fun doing this makeup shit. Hopefully I can start getting paid for this shit one day. I curse like a sailor. Hey, whatever. And I drink wine. And that's me. If you want to know anything else, you know, leave a comment. I'll talk back. Ask me questions. It's all good. So, see y'all next time. What's up? Hey cousins, thank y'all for tuning in to another video. So I bet y'all looking like this not no makeup tutorial. So what we got going on here? Well, bruh.